All right, give me just 1 second. I'll be right with you. All right. Harry Potter book. And this big piece of petrified wood. Oh, yeah. Okay, so far so good. And then the alligator. Is he going to stay? Come on, alligator. Oh, come on, alligator. Well, maybe if I put him like this. There we go. All right. So, for today's push challenge, I want you to start thinking about stacking things. Yes, that's right. This is a stacking challenge. But here's where it really gets tricky. You may only stack the things that you can find in one room. You can't go from place to place. Now, you can see I liked stacking here in this room where I've got all my bookshelves behind me. I've got a lot of books. I've also got my bins with my toys from some of my other videos. I've got some petrified wood because we've got some things up on some of these shelves like shells and fossils and things like that. I only took things from my living room. Alligators trying to fall over. I only took things from this room for this stack challenge. So that's your push challenge for today. How high of a stack can you get by stacking the things that you can only find in one room? All right? Okay, go to it. I want to see pictures. Email me with what you figured out. Are there better rooms than others? I don't know if I'd try the laundry room. Probably not a whole lot to stack, although I'm pretty good at stacking my clean laundry there after I folded it. All right, so get to it, and I can't wait to see what you discover.